So we are driving down M25, headed towards our destination for tonight, like towards Detroit. And Nate has seen no less than like 6 ice cream parlors, and he can't handle it. He's stopping in this parking lot, and he's gonna walk all the way down there.
They called my bluff.
To get ice cream. You're obsessed.
Let
it go. Okay, so we've had the most friendly experiences with people in Michigan so far. Nate just got back from getting his ice cream, and it's a cash only place. We don't carry cash. He had $2 and they took it. He ordered 3 ice creams and he just paid $2. Like, these people are so friendly. It's crazy. And he said there were these old ladies in the back that overheard him saying, oh, I can just go to the ATM. And they're like, no, how much do you? I'll pay part of it. What in the world? That never happens in Missouri. That bird?
You see him land?
Yeah, his neck was all weird looking.
Well, it was cool how he did it. He came in, I thought he was a plane at first, and then I focused in and I saw it was a bird, and he was hauling ass, and then he turned, and he started slowing way down, and then he just landed gracefully.
We're stuck at a train track 3 miles from our Harvest Toast destination. I think we might just put the jacks down here on the asphalt and call it good. Cute farm here. All the way back. You can see them all the way over there. It's a really long train. But I mean, in the meantime, we have these like cute houses to look at here. So we have had the hardest time finding camping in Ohio.
That's too close.
Sewer hose just barely fits.
Way too close.
So we stopped at this campground outside of Geneva, Ohio, or Lake Geneva or something. I'm not really sure. It's like onwards beyond Cleveland. We found this little campground up the road, and it's $45 a night for full hookups. At least we got 50 amp. We're going to get all of our laundry caught up, take the longest, hottest showers ever. Interestingly enough, Nate said that they charge you $3 for 3 minutes to take showers in their shower house here. $3 for 3 minutes.
After getting a dip in Lake Erie near Geneva on the Lake, we headed out from there and headed towards Buffalo. We had to stop at a little campground called Top of the Hill on the way just for a couple nights. Top of the Hill was right outside of Jamestown. We visited around that area just a little bit and then took off and headed down the road. We got to see a lot of pretty outback along the back roads of New York State. We saw a lot of bean fields, and we got up into the mountains here and there, and it was real foggy and it was really neat. We could see windmills and stuff sticking out of the clouds up on top of the mountains.
A place to settle down. No reasons left to find. One day I'll change your mind, and it won't come easy.
How tall is your RV? We don't know. We just came up on a bridge that's 12.6.
Probably shouldn't do it. I think we can make it. We go slow.
I don't like this. We might be losing some air conditioners right now.
These are 12 feet 10 inches. This is the low one right here.
This does not look inviting at all. Oh my god.
I told you we'd make it.
I make the same mistakes.
So we are on the road to Buffalo today. We're slowly making our way to Buffalo where my friends live. It's really hard to find camping up here in these northern states right now because the schools don't go back until September. So all the families are still like summering basically. They're still camping, they're still out, so all the campgrounds are full. So we're having a little trouble with that.
You can see it too. So keep me hanging on, and I will run across the rivers anywhere with you. I won't give up, I'll take my chances, and I will follow you through the night. I'll follow you.
Alright, so we are in Niagara Falls on the American side because we don't have our passports, unfortunately.
No, we wanted to get them, but we didn't plan soon enough, so here we are.
So here we are, we're going to do the American side with our friends that live in Buffalo, and their 2 kids, so both of our families are just kind of having a family day out here at the park. We had Duff's wings, which were amazing.
They were
Apparently
very good.
It's a Buffalo thing. You have to have those if you come to this area. So
Yep.
we just had lunch. Now we're gonna do the falls, and we'll show you along.
All right. The views at the falls were breathtaking. Contending with the large crowds is becoming less and less frustrating as we press on our journey. We're just realizing that everybody wants to see this country, this beautiful country, just the same as we do. We were a little bummed out we didn't get a front side view of the falls from top to bottom like you do on the Canadian side. However, there is a little bridge here in the background you can see that brings you out right in front of it. It gives you a good shot of it. We just didn't have the time to wait in the line for it. Notice in the background in this shot you can see the Canadian Falls back there.
So it's been a busy week in Buffalo. We've been spending time with friends this week, so we haven't done much recording, nor have we done much like activity. We've just been hanging out at their house. So we've eaten our way through the city for, I think, everything except for breakfast. We haven't really done any breakfast, have we, Nate?
No?
No.
I don't think we have.
We haven't had any breakfast, and we also
We'll do some tomorrow morning.
we haven't had Tim Hortons either, which you're apparently supposed to have if you're in this area. So we've had 716, which is like a sports bar. We've had wings. We had Duff's, which is like the original wings, I guess.
Yeah.
You have to correct me if I'm wrong. We had Chef's, which is Italian. It was
That was the best
amazing.
so far.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Amazing. Ted's hot dogs. We had that yesterday. It was really good. And then we had Anderson's ice cream. We haven't done much for vlogging because we've been just basically working in the day and then going over to their house and letting our kids play at night because they still work too. So we're actually headed out to dinner right now. We're gonna go to Grandma Mora's. It's a Mexican place. Apparently it is the best. So yeah, we're gonna head out and go do that now.
Hang on a minute, I'll take one. Sea Breeze Amusement Park.
How's the donut, Nate?
That's good. I like it.
So we just went to Tim Hortons. It's Canadian coffee, so we'll see about this. All right, Monica, we'll see. Hang on. Pretty
My
good.
hair's a mess.
Pretty good. I'll take it. So it's a bit of a travel day. We don't know where we're going. We don't know where we're gonna end up. Nate's over here looking at maps, trying to figure out. It's Labor Day weekend and we have no reservations.
Nope. Could be fun.
We like to risk it. It's totally fine. We might be calling a Harvest Toast this afternoon or finding a parking lot. We, first time I think ever got up and got on the, out of the campground before 10 o'clock. So, don't know how we managed to do that. I don't think we were alive in the process.
On our way up the coastline of Lake Ontario towards the Adirondacks, we decided to stop at Lake Ontario for me to swim in the last Great Lake. Yeah, I'm done with that. That was exhilarating. I would say it's refreshing, but it really wasn't. It was ice cold the whole time. I'm glad I'm out of there.
All five.
That's it, that was the last one. And I'll probably never swim in Ontario again.